Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the range or inserting a helper column to keep originals safe. Enter equals trim, A2 and press enter. This removes leading, trailing, and excess internal spaces. Once done, drag the fill handle or double-click it to apply the formula to every row. Make sure to check a few samples. Trim does not remove non-breaking spaces or carriage returns, so you'll handle those next if they persist. Once trim is applied, you may still see stubborn gaps caused by char, 160 non-breaking spaces or control characters. Use substitute to replace char 160 with a normal space, then clean to remove unprintables. Combine them inward. Equals trim, clean, substitute, A2, char 160. Drag that combined formula down, and you'll normalize most messy text in one pass. Make sure to test on mixed cells. To finish, copy the helper column, then paste special values onto the original cells to remove formulas. If you still spot odd breaks, remove char 10 line feeds using substitute, char 10, before trim. As a troubleshooting tip, use LEN to compare original and cleaned length and code/MID to reveal hidden characters. When you find a code, add a substitute for that char value. This targeted approach resolves the last tricky cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.